Installation and set up the app. First, go to the Shopify App Store and search for GreenifAI. Click on the app listing to open the app page. Review the app details, features, and pricing. When you're ready, click the Install button to initiate installation. Shopify will prompt you to authorize the app. Review the permissions and click Install App to confirm. Once installed, you'll be directed to the GreenifAI sign-up window. Fill in required fields, name, password. Read and agree to terms of service and privacy policy. Click Join GreenifAI to open the GreenifAI workspace. Once you have successfully logged in, your store information, including product catalog, will be automatically integrated with the app. All new users automatically receive a free plan from GreenifAI, which includes 1 free store assessment, 1 free product assessment, and a 15 kilogram CO2 equivalent offset balance. Store Sustainability Assessment. On the app main page, click on the Store Assessment icon. Behind the scenes, the app will automatically download and analyze publicly available sustainability-oriented information from your store website and prepare store-tailored recommendations for more sustainable operations. When assessment results are generated, you can open them in a new window and download the results as PDF. As a final step, you can install the Sustainability You Can See banner on your storefront page to signal your eco-commitment to your customers. By clicking the Install button, you will be redirected to your store's Shopify admin page, where you can choose the banner's location, design, and size. The Sustainability banner can be customized according to your online store design. Once you're satisfied with the design, save your changes. As a final step, you can install the Sustainability You Can See banner on your storefront page to signal your eco-commitment to your customer. The banner is now visible to your customers when they visit your store. This is where you communicate your sustainability commitment. Return to the app main page by clicking on the GreenifAI logo in the left upper corner of the screen and choose the Product CO2 Footprint Assessment icon. Product CO2 Footprint Assessment and Offset. In the opened list, synchronized with your catalog, choose a product for assessment. The app will automatically download product information from your website. For more precise results, you can manually add additional information about the product, such as its manufacturing process, raw materials, logistics, or packaging details. Type or copy-paste this data into the devoted window in a free format, or click Continue without adding if you do not have any such data. The footprint will be calculated in either case based on factors like weight, shipping distance, and materials. Once calculated, you'll see the CO2 equivalent for that product. You can now proceed to offset this carbon. The product footprint will be neutralized using your plan's allocated offsets. Once the offset is applied, you can display a carbon-neutral product widget on your product page, showing exactly how much carbon was calculated and offset. Clicking the Install button will redirect you to your store's Shopify admin page, where you can choose the widget's location, design, and size. Once you're satisfied with the design, save your changes. Simultaneously, the Sustainability Coming Soon widget will appear on all other products in your catalog. This widget will be automatically replaced with the Carbon Neutral Product widget on products you've offset. The GreenifAI widgets are interactive and clickable. The Carbon Neutral Product widget opens the product-dedicated page on the GreenifAI website with full details of the product's CO2 footprint calculation and offset, including a link to the carbon project receiving funds and calculation methodology. Now, all your customers who buy the Carbon Neutral product will receive a personal offset certificate from GreenifAI, rewarding them for the climate-friendly choice.